What's up YouTube? My name is Uncle Smokey, and this is Uncle Smokey Stock Trades. And before I start this video, I would like to say, I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. So please take what I say with a grain of salt, and do your own DD.
I know I said I wasn't going to make a video today, but I had a slight change of heart, and it's only going to be a really fast one. I think this needs to be said. So if you had watched my video yesterday, I had mentioned that I did feel we were going to have more of a pullback, and we did today. Unfortunately, we didn't see that midday bounce like I thought we would, but that's all right. We've actually tested that $2.44 mark a couple more times today, and it really has shown up to be pretty strong. This making a third bounce off of this mark at the present moment in time, and the last time we touched $2.44 was a few days ago before we made that really big run up to almost $3. Now, like I did say, I expected the pullback, and tomorrow is that employment information, that statistic that comes out, and that could absolutely drive everything back north, including Meta. Overall markets, though, could start driving them back north with good news. And there's a strong possibility of good news. Like I said, the holiday season tends to bring out better job reports because there's a lot of hiring going on. A lot of people are in seeking of jobs as well because they need that extra money for holiday spending cash. Now, the reason why I really wanted to make this video today, and the title of the video in that thumbnail, is fear. So today, the reason why this happened was fear. Always keep in mind that algorithms trade off of your emotions. And I've said that time and time again throughout the history of my channel. Your emotions are absolutely what is going to drive the stock. And they know that they've got a hold of them. So after that first major run up to $3, we knew we were going to expect a pullback, and it did. But here's the problem. After that, there was a fear-driven dip. From then on out, we knew we were going to have hedge fund manipulation. That always happens. We expect pullbacks almost on a daily basis with a bounce. But then you had the Fed minutes come out, and people's fear went wild. It went crazy, and it did drive the stock down further. There was sell-offs. I mean, of course there was. All across the market, there was major sell-offs at that point in time. Well, unfortunately, that drove into today as well. And you can see that clearly in the stock. You had a hedge fund manipulative pull down, and then fear drove it the rest of the way. Everybody started getting scared because they thought, how far down can this go? Well, I'm going to let you know right now. I'm going to be upfront and honest, completely frank, and you should already know this if you're trading in the open market. It can go to zero. That's how far it can go. But I want to let everybody know right here, right now, AMC traded below $2 before its major spikes. GME at about $2.57. That was right before it ran all the way up to $42 and then on from there. So just keep that in mind, that all of this manipulation can continue on. It can keep pulling this thing down. And the only thing you can do is keep averaging down or vacate. And those are your options. Sell at a loss now, or continue to hold and keep averaging down, increasing your position. Because the only thing that's doing is screwing the hedgies even more. It's screwing the market makers even more. Because you're gobbling up all the synthetic shares that they are introducing into the market, and you are going to screw them when they have to cover. Because they've got to buy all of those shares back from you, starting with their synthetic shares, and then they can start buying their real shares. And the sky's the limit at that point. You set the price. You set the barrier. But always keep in mind that not everybody has that same price target that you have. So fear is what's driving these dips, and fear is going to continue to keep driving these dips. Look at my face. No fear. I know what I hold. I know what I have. And not only is this stock a gem, but it is lined up for a short squeeze. No matter what anybody tells you, it is absolutely primed for a short squeeze because of the Torchlight Series A preferred dividend. That's why it's primed for a squeeze. It is going to happen at some point in time. We have to wait for the proper time when Metamaterials Inc. and George Palacaris gives us the news that everything's a go, and then you're going to see short coverage. Not till then, and that's what you want. So, with that being said, Ultimately, we're looking for a good PR release, or you're going to continue to see hedge fund manipulation and some paper-handed sell-offs, and that's going to continue to happen for a little bit of time. I did need to get this video out. That is all I'm going to cover on today's video. There's nothing else really that's happened. CES 2022 is going on. Let's see if Sterling gets a video out to us today. I do know Syntax was there. I'm pretty sure she's on her way home. Safe travels to you, Sin. I hope you get there safe. Peace, guys. I'm going to go spend time with my family. I suggest you guys do the same.